Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This is a sick strategy that I just discovered and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is the Supertrend strategy with your Heiken Ashi oscillator. All right, these two work together, I believe so, and we're going to put that to the test today so that you can try to profit from the market. So this is a two-rule based strategy. Number one, wait for your Heiken Ashi to be oversold when it gets to the red area, as you can see, or wait for your Heiken Ashi to be wait for your Heiken Ashi to be overbought right here, or wait for it to be oversold when it gets to the green area, and that's where we look for our buy and sell signals. So for example, our Heiken Ashi candles are oversold right here, so it's an indication for us to start looking for our sell for a sell signal. So as you can see, we eventually get a sell signal right here, and you can see we did profit from this move. Let's keep going. As you can see, we eventually were oversold right here, and we had a nice signal there as well. Keep going. Let's keep going. As you can see, we were not oversold here. Overbought, didn't get a signal. And bear in mind, you shouldn't take a signal if it over delays. This definitely over delayed, so therefore this signal is not valid. Let's wait for another one. This was a perfect one. You can see we had a nice oversold area there, and we had a nice sell signal right here. That was a nice sell. As you can see, very simple indicator, easy to use. Try it out on your own. Always backtest before you test all of these strategies. I'm just simply sharing with you guys all my discoveries in this channel. So make sure to like, subscribe for more, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.